Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to begin by confirming the accessibility zoom state so you don't chase the wrong problem. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Zoom. This shows whether system zoom is active. If you don't need zoom, switch it off now to restore normal pinch behavior. Once done, make sure the screen is clean and you understand two-finger gestures. Double tap for 100% toggle and drag to pan. These initial checks save time and isolate whether the issue is software setting versus hardware. Next, reset the gesture state and clear transient glitches. Toggle zoom off, then on again to reinitialize its gesture mapping. Test pinch and double tap after toggling. If gestures still misbehave, restart the iPhone to flush the memory and input stack. Hold the side button and a volume button, then slide to power off, or use the restart command. After reboot, make sure iOS is up to date in Settings General Software Update, because many touch bugs are fixed in incremental updates. To finish, if zoom and restart didn't help, reset all settings to restore default touch behavior without erasing data. Settings General Transfer or Reset all settings. This clears conflicting configurations. Once done, test pinch/zoom in Notes and Camera to determine whether the problem is system-wide or app-specific. If gestures still fail, suspect hardware, book Apple support or an authorized service provider for a diagnostic. One tip: document when the issue started to help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.